Learn about pteridophytes and gymnosperms, ancient plant groups vital to understanding plant evolution, life cycles, structures, and their role in ecosystems. Pteridophytes rely on cool, damp environments for their gametophytes, which produce male and female reproductive organs for spore-based propagation. Water aids gamete transfer and zygote formation, leading to a dominant multicellular sporophyte phase. Homospores produce similar spores, heterospores like Salmonella create diverse spore types, macro and micro. Zygotes develop into embryos within the female gametophyte, marking a significant evolutionary step towards seed development. Pteridophyte classes include Coelopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, and Pteropsida, varying in structural diversity. Gymnosperms feature exposed seeds and include iconic plants like the diverse redwoods and medium-sized or tall shrubs. Taproots support gymnosperms, with unique adaptations like mycorrhizal fungi and coralloid roots for nitrogen fixation. Gymnosperm stems may branch or not, leaves adapt for extreme weather, reducing water loss via thick cuticles and sunken stomata. Heterospory defines gymnosperm reproduction. Microspores and megaspores mature in distinct male or female cones. Pollen grains, formed from microspores, house reduced male gametophytes confined within the microsporangia. Female cones bear ovules from megasporophylls, protected by covering layers and forming seeds after fertilization. Megaspores develop internally into gametophytes with archegonia, staying within the megasporangium for reproduction. Gymnosperms retain gametophytes on sporophytes, dispersing pollen via air currents to fertilize ovule openings. Fertilized ovules develop into seeds, with the pollen tube guiding male gametes to female structures. Angiosperms, the flowering plants, have seeds enclosed in fruits and display astounding size and habitat diversity. Angiosperms serve humans as food, animal feed, medicine, fuel, and sources of numerous commercial products. Angiosperms split into dicots, 2 cotyledones, and monocots, 1 cotyledon, differing in venation and floral structures. The stamen, with anthers producing pollen, is key to angiosperm reproduction, enabling gamete production and release. The pistil houses ovules and forms the embryo sac containing cells vital for fertilization and seed development.